स्थापकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सतं विलासिलोकरक्षकम्।
Okay children, welcome to the mathematics class. In this class, we are going to learn something new about Roman numerals. So before that, we have to know the Roman numbers history. Okay children? The first point in the history, that is originated in ancient Rome. Then the symbol represents a tally mark which would be written into wood or dirt. It was an easy way to keep track of events, items they were counting. They are written as a combination of 7 letters. The letters are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So these are the 7 English alphabet letters. The last point in the history, that is, can be written in upper and lower case. So the numbers are I, that shows the 1. The value of the V is 5. The value of the X is 10. The value of the L is 50. The value of the C is 100. The value of the D is 500. Then the value of the M is 1000. So these are the symbols and these are the numerals. So the next point is, what are Roman numerals? So that is, we already learned in the history, that is there are the 7 symbols I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So what purposing we are using there? So what is the indication of the 0? So the 0, there is no 0 in this system, for there was no symbol for the 0. Okay, the next one is, so where do you see Roman numerals? Okay, in a Super Bowl or in a Olympics, in the movies, then in the clocks, then in the outlines we are using to show the outlines, and in the books. Next one, in the names also. So for example, Henry III. Let's look at the screen carefully there. There are the 7 symbols. The symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. Okay, these are the values. So I shows the 1 value and V shows the 5 value and X shows the 10. So L shows the 50, then C 100, D is equal to 500, M is equal to 1000. Okay, these are the 7 basic symbols. Yes, while we are writing, so we have to apply some rules to write the Roman numerals. So the first rule is to add the smaller symbol is placed after the bigger symbol. Okay, the next one is rule 2. To subtract the smaller symbol is placed before the bigger symbol. So the third rule says that I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times in a row. The fourth one rule is V, L and D cannot be repeated at all. Okay, these are the rules. In the next slide, we are applying the rule while we are writing. Then rules for writing Roman numerals. First one rule is symbols I, X, C and M can be repeated only 3 times. So look at the examples I, X, C and M. So these symbols repeated only 3 times. So how to write the 3 here? So write I. So that shows the 1, 1, 1 is equal to 3. So it means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So the next one example, that is the 3x. So the x is repeated 3 times here. So the value of the x is 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it is equal to 30. So 3x value is 30. Next, the third one example in the first rule, that is the 3c here. the value of the C, that is 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. So the last one example, that is 3m. So the value of the m, that is 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equal to 3000. So only these four symbols are repeated only 3 times. Okay, the next rule is, the second rule is, symbols I, X and C are used for both addition and subtraction. So which are the symbols? I, X and C. These symbols are used for both additions and subtractions. For example, so X and I. So I is addition to the X. It means the value of the X is 10. So plus 1 is equal to 11. Then the I is subtracted X, that is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So the third one example is here C and X. So the value of the C is 100 and the value of the X, that is 10. So is equal to 110. So the fourth one example X and C, so is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So symbols I, X and C are used for both addition and subtractions. All symbols can be used for addition when the smaller symbol is placed on left of the bigger symbol. So when the smaller symbol is, in the example second and fourth one, the smaller symbol is placed on the left of the bigger symbol, then subtraction takes place here. So that's why I and X, it means 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. And X and C, so 100 minus 10. The C symbol is on the left of the bigger symbol. So the C is the bigger value here. So the X is the smaller value. The X is placed on the left of the bigger symbol. The left of the C symbol. It is equal to 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So what is the second rule? I, X and C are used for both addition and subtraction. So what is the third rule? The third rule is like, the third rule is symbol I can be added to every Roman symbol, but it can be subtracted only from V and X. Symbol I. Yes, I can be added to every Roman symbol, but it can be subtracted only from V and X. So the I is subtracted from only V and X. For example, so X plus 1. It means X plus I is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. V is equal to, the value of the V is 5. So the value of the I is 1. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So I and X, so the value of the X is 10. So minus 1 is equal to 9. So the I is subtracted from V and X. So only these two letters. The I is added to X and the I is subtracted V and X here. So in the second and third example, the I is subtracted V and X. So this is the third rule. So recall once again, symbol I can be added to every Roman symbol, but it can be subtracted only from V and X. So the fourth rule is as same as the third one, but here the X can be added to every Roman symbol, but it can be subtracted only from L and C. So it is subtracted from L and C. So X plus I is equal to 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. That is X, it can be added to every Roman symbol. So the X plus I is equal to 11. Then X, L is equal to 50 minus 10. Why? Because the X is subtracted only from L and C. So look here. Look at the examples. The X is subtracted only from L and C. So that is 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. So X and C, the value of the X and C is 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So it means the L and C, these are subtracted only from, X is subtracted only from L and C. So this is about rule 4. Okay, the rule 5 is symbol C can be. So symbol C can be added to every Roman symbol, but it can be subtracted from D and M only. So C is subtracted from D and M only. So CX, that is 100 plus 10 is equal to 110. So this is added to every Roman symbol. Then the C is subtracted from D here. In the second example, the C is subtracted from D. It means 500 minus 100 is equal to 400. In the third example, the C is subtracted from M. So 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. So what is the fifth rule? That is C can be added to any Roman numeral, but it can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay, these are the rule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are very important to writing the Roman numerals. Okay children, here Roman numerals 1 to 100. Okay, this is the chart of Roman numerals 1 to 100. So the value of the I is 1, the value of the 2I, that is 2, the value of the 3I is 3. So remember yourself, the I, X, C and M, these are repeated 3 times, that is the first rule. And then, so the I is subtracted only from the bigger symbol. So I and V, that shows the 4, and the value of the V is 5. So the I is added to every Roman numerals. V plus I is equal to 6, V plus I is equal to 7. So V plus I is equal to 8. So again the I and X. So that the value of the 9. So this is the 9 value. So how to write the 9 value here? Look here children. So I and X, that shows the 9. So how to write the 10? That is the basic symbol, that is X. The 11 one is X1. 12 is X, I. 13 is X, I. The I is repeated 3 times. Next I, V, X. So X, I, V, that is 14. So this is very important. Next one, the 15, X, V and X, V, I, that is 16. X, V, I, that is 17. X, V, I, that shows the 18. So how to write the 19 here? So 19, the X value is 10. Next, the I and X, this shows the 9. So add the number here. So it becomes 19. So the value X symbol, the value of the 10 is X. The value of the IX, that is 9. The value of the IX, that is 9. So is equal to 19. Next move to the 20. How to write the 20 day? The 2x, the x is repeated 2 times. Then 21, 23, 24, 25 and up to 100 here. So the main, so you have to remember some symbols. That is the 29. Then how to write the 39 and how to write the 40. The 40, X and L. That the X is subtracted from the bigger one, that is the L. So X and L value is 40. So the 41 is X, L, I. Then 42 is X, L, I. The how to write the 49. Next continue from the up to 49. So the 49, how to write the 49 in the Roman numeral, that is X and L, that is the 40. So X and L is equal to 40 here. Then IX, the IX value is 9. So add both the numbers here, you get the 49. Okay. So XL ix, that is the 49. So the 50, the value of the L is 50. So then 60. So the L, x is added to L, that shows the 60. Then 70. L is added to 2 x's, that is 70. L x x, that is 70. Next, directly come to the 90. How to write the 90? So x and c, the x is subtracted from the c, that is 90. So 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. So the value of the symbol of the 100 is c, minus the symbol of the 10 is x. So that is x and c. So the x is subtracted from the c. The xc, that shows the 90. Then 91 xci, then 92 xcii is come directly. How to write the 99? So 99. So xc, the value of the xc, that is 90. We already learned the value of the 90 is. So the value of the xc is 90. Then ix, the value of the ix, that is 9. So add the numbers here. So 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. Is right? And club the symbols and write it xc ix like that. So the symbol of the c, that is the 100, or the 100 value, c value is 100. So this is the basic symbol. So these are the Roman numerals 1 to 100. Just apply all the rules to write the Roman numerals. Okay children, okay, this is the individual decimal places. So units, tens, hundreds and thousands. So in the units, so 1 to 9 symbols comes in the units place. Then tens, so 10 to 90. Okay, these symbols comes under the tens places. Next, the 100. The C and M, that shows the 900. So all these symbols comes in the 100 places. Next, the 1000. Only 1000, 2000 and 3000 here. So this is the basic decimal places. So units, tens and 100. So these are the ones period, and 1000 and 10,000. This comes under the thousands period. So this is the decimal places chart. Okay children, this is the worksheet. That is, write the Roman numerals in a normal form. It means in the Indian system. So the first one is X, L, I and V. So the XL, the value of the XL, that is 40. XL, that is 40. And so IV, so the value of the IV, that shows the 4. So add the numbers, you get the 44. So the XLIV, the value of the XLIV is 44. Next, move to the second example in this chart, that is XXXIII. It means the 3 x's are repeated. It means 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30 plus I. That means 3. So the total value of the 30 and 3 is 33. So the symbol 3x and 3i. X, 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 I. The value of X, 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 I. That is 33. So the next third one is X, X, I. It means the X 2 times here. So write the 20 plus the I. that is repeats 2 times. So write 2. The value of the I that is 2. So add the numbers. So 20 plus 2 is 22. It's like that. There are the up to 18 problems within 50. So all the numbers comes under the 50 Roman numeral. Then apply the rules as well as just copy the 1 to 100 Roman numerals and write here. Okay children, check it once 1 to 100 and write the worksheet. Okay children, bye, thank you.